Here we have a Miller spot welder. We got it hooked up to 230 volt single phase power, and we're gonna do a weld here and show you that it works. We're gonna weld this piece of angle steel here. It's real flimsy, and we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so basically we'll just bend this piece over, okay, and then we'll set it in here, okay, and then we'll give it we'll hit the foot pedal this time. Okay. So it spot welded here, it's on there pretty good. We're gonna do a few more here, okay, and you can actually do it with the hand control too, and it has a timer on there that will set the time, and it won't go past that time even if you hold down the switch. So one more here. Okay, one last one. Okay, so that's on there. It's not really coming apart there. They're welded together. Okay. So that is your Miller spot welder.